Hi everybody, Alex the Pro here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at quite an interesting charting technique, and I call it the spaghetti technique because if you look on the screen, those lines just look like spaghetti. They're just going all over the place. Now, for those who don't know me, I've been in the Forex trading and training business for over 22 years. And over those 22 years, I've had more than 20,000 students. And as you can see on your screen, here's some feedback from the students that I've had, and the ratings have been pretty good. Also, I have a successful YouTube channel, and here you can see we've recently reached 75,000 subscribers. So I have a passion for trading and helping others to achieve success. Now, a while ago, we had a technical analysis breakthrough. And looking at the charts, you will clearly see that instruments that build up strength and weakness on the charts only do that on a temporary basis. And they often snap back from these exceptional strength or weakness situations. And that is basically what the spaghetti charts help us see. So on your screen, you can see an extract of the spaghetti indicator. And what it measures is the strength and weakness of currencies. So for instance, each line here represents a currency. Like the red line is the USD, the dark pink line I think is the yen, and you can see they go from weak to strong and so on. Yen weak, strong. So the weak conditions are only temporary, and the strong conditions are only temporary. And that's what the spaghetti indicator shows us. So there are various ways you can trade the spaghetti indicator, and that is what the spaghetti course is all about. Just show you a couple of them. So let's take the US dollar here. You can see it was strengthening, and then suddenly it made what we call a hook. And when it makes a hook, it means it is changing directions in a big way, and it then weakened quite quickly. So what you can do is you can look for hooks in extreme conditions, trade them on the way down. The other thing that you can do is you can match them up with a weak currency. So if one currency is going very strong and the other one is going very weak, like the euro was going weak there, the USD was going very strong, you match them up. So they both hooked more or less at the same time. So in this case, you would favor the euro USD cross for an increase in value. But all of that is explained in the course that is available to you. So please use the link in the description and in the first commentary of this video to access this free course on how to analyze the spaghetti indicator. The course includes a template, which is basically an indicator, and as a bonus, it also includes an automatic robot that will trade the spaghetti formations. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to showing you how to use the spaghetti charts and take advantage of the templates that we provide and the automated ways of benefiting from these charts. So from me, Alex the Pro, cheerio.